Well, hi guys. Good afternoon or good morning, depending on where you live, or what state. And welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. Thank you for watching the video, and also please subscribe to this video. Hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification button, so that way you can know every time I make a new video here. And also please hit the thumbs up button also. And share this video with all your friends and family on Facebook and all your social media gatherings too as well. Also leave a comment in the comment section. If you have a question or you just want to make a comment, please feel free to do so. I want to say a special thanks to my 23 subscribers that have subscribed to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. And also, I want to say, I hope you all guys, you all have a happy Saturday. Enjoy your Saturday, whether you're out on a picnic or just staying at home, going out with family or whatever the case is. So, happy Saturday. On this video, I'm going to do a part 3 to the last two videos, which was going from a 548 to a 720 credit score. But in this video, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you on my computer screen how I got there. Alrighty. So let's start off with my first credit card that I opened up, and this one I opened up 5 months ago. And I do not recommend this, but this is a path you can take if you want to get a 700 or more higher credit score. And do it in less than 5 months. So here we go, guys. All right. Now this is the first credit card that I applied for, and I got approved for also. It's called First Premier from First Premier Bank. Okay. And this one, guys, I got a $300 credit limit. It's an annual fee. I believe the annual fee is $99, I believe. But it does build credit. It's a secured card, but it does not report to the credit bureaus as secured. It reports as a regular credit card. They give free quarterly FICO scores on your monthly billing statement, so you can keep track of your FICO score also. So guys, again, I do not recommend this, but this is where I started. So in this video, I wanted to show you exactly how I went from a score in the low 500s up to a 720 credit score. Actually, in September, I started with a credit score in the 400s. For this video, we're going to start at 548 credit score up to 720. So now my second credit card that I applied for was the First Progress credit card. Show you guys that one there. They have basically 3 credit cards. They have the Platinum Prestige MasterCard, Platinum Select MasterCard, and the Platinum Elite MasterCard. The only difference between the two, well, the main differences are the interest rates, as you can see here, and also the annual fee differs. The cheapest one is $29. The highest annual fee is $49. And the lowest interest rate is a 10.74 with the Prestige, and the highest interest rate is a 20.74% with the Platinum Elite. Okay, there's no minimum credit score required, no credit history required, and this will report to all the 3 major credit bureaus too also. So I got 2 credit cards from them. The first one had a $200 limit. And the way a secured card works is that you send in the money that you want to have a credit limit for, which mine was $200. But what I done was I took the annual fee, which the $49 fee, and I sent that also. So I sent them $249, so that it would not deduct from my credit limit, and I would still have that $200 credit limit. And I also applied for a second card, and the second card had a $550 credit limit. So I sent them basically almost $600 to get a $500 credit limit, and that covered me for the annual fee for the first year. Alright guys, so this reports to all the major credit bureaus. So if you're having an issue getting approved for a secured credit card, as I did, I got denied for a Discover secured credit card. You can leave me a comment in the comment section of this video and just comment info, okay, and I will definitely send you guys a information. I can get you guys hooked up on an authorized user, add you onto one of my cards as an authorized user on the First Premier credit cards. That way you could build credit history, and it will also not give you any hard inquiry. Okay guys, so the third thing I did to build my credit was I signed up with a company called My Jewelers. Okay, and now My Jewelers, it is a trade line here. You can join for only $99, and it reports to the major credit bureaus too as well. Let's click on how it works here. So you get easy approval even if you have bad credit. You can build good credit and look good doing it, it says. Immediate approval for up to $5,000 of unsecured revolving credit. And that's huge, guys. That $5,000 limit, it can help you keep your credit utilization low and boost your credit score up. When I got approved for this, and as soon as it reported to my credit profile, I see an immediate boost in my credit score. So to qualify, you have to be a citizen, 18 or older, have a social security number, $1,400 monthly income, complete the application, and they take all types of credit, good credit, bad credit, all types of credit histories. To start off, you have to place a minimum of $100 of products in the shopping cart and complete the secure online application. Pay the membership fee, the down payment, log in, click the e-sign document to sign your agreement, and it reports to all the credit bureaus monthly, okay? And you get a card in the mail. So this is a good credit card to start off with. You'll only have monthly fee if you carry a balance on this one. And let's show you some of the products here that they carry. They have all types of jewelry, you know, from the high end. And this, you know, these items, they're a little expensive, so you may not want to buy a whole lot of items from here, but every once in a while you want to buy something from here. And you want to keep these accounts open, okay, forever and ever and ever and ever, if you decide to go with My Jewelers. Okay, so let's move right along. Let's go to the next trade line here. This is another trade line here. It's going to report to all the major credit bureaus too also. It's called New Coast Direct. And they offer all types of products here. Let's look at some of these products. Let's look at Home and Garden, for example. I just want to show you one preview of, you know, their site and what they offer here. Okay. So here you go. Some remotes. Looks like Boss Audio Channel. Okay, some speakers. Impress fan heater with thermostat, $91. Better Chef, large capacity. Looks like some type of microwave oven here they got going on here, $99.96. Okay, so these are a little on the pricey end, but this is not something you want to buy a whole lot of products from on a consistent basis, but every once in a while you do want to shop and buy something. Okay, here's how it works. Is you fill out the online application. You can get approved for up to $5,000. Me, myself, I got approved for $5,000 out the gate, which was great. And as soon as this reported to my credit bureau, it just made my credit score skyrocket up again. And to qualify, you have to be 18 U.S. citizen, have a social security card and ID, prior credit history, monthly household income of $1,600 or more. And to get started, you got to place a minimum of $100 of products in your shopping cart and fill out the application, be a citizen, pay the down payments, sign the documents, and you should be on your way. And yes, this New Coast Direct does report to your credit account, to the credit bureaus monthly, okay? And there's an annual fee of $95 to keep your account open and in good standing. So you definitely will, if you choose to go with New Coast Direct, you definitely want to keep this account open forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. So, just 1 second, guys. Let me go ahead and let's just continue. Okay, guys. So, this is definitely something you definitely want to consider here, the New Coast Direct, because when this reported to my credit profile, I saw a huge boost in my credit score, you know, automatically. And this one does have a monthly fee of $40 or 5% of the balance, whichever is more. So you definitely do not want to carry a balance, okay? And you can avoid interest payments also. Okay, so moving right along, I also signed up with this other company here, and this one is totally awesome too. It's called DSX Design. They're a design company, and they can put designs on t-shirts for you, all types of clothing and things like that. They even do business cards also. And this company is really awesome, guys. I mean, if you look at this, the prices on these items, some of them, it's really amazing. Look at this. You have the Bluetooth earbuds, wireless, right? This for iPhone and Android for $25 a month. So basically for $50, you can have a trade line. And this one, it goes up to $12,000 of trade line. Let me show you how it works here. Now, it's pretty simple, okay? There's no credit or bad credit approvals, so you don't have to worry about having a certain credit score to get approved for this, okay? And you get immediate approval for up to $12,000 in unsecured revolving credit. Shipping's free. It says our print material and design services are agency quality. How do you qualify? Be 18 years or older, a U.S. citizen, $1,000 a month in income or more. They accept good credit, bad credit, and no credit also. Okay, so the steps to get started is become a member. They'll pull your credit score. So this involves a hard pull, okay, inquiry. And they may contact you to verify any additional information. You place an order after you complete your application, okay, and they report your credit account and with your limit and payment history to the credit bureaus monthly. And the good thing about this, you do get a credit limit increase after 90 days, and you make 2 successful purchases, you can apply for a credit limit increase. And for them to submit your reports, guys, you have to purchase at least 1 product, okay? Just to let you guys know that. I did sign up for this company, DSX Design, and I signed up not too long ago. This is one of my recent accounts, actually. I signed up in March 23rd, so I'm just going to give them some time to report. But I've been hearing a lot of good things in Facebook, on YouTube about this company, to DSX Design. They do report to the credit bureaus every month, and I've heard this from several people who have had this hit their credit report and noticed a credit boost when they did report. So guys, this company, DSX Design, I mean, they got all the primary trade lines that I showed you already beat pretty much, and that I will show you in this video. This one I think is number 1 because of the amount of the trade line is up to $12,000 trade line. When I signed up, the membership fee was $59, but it went up to $79 this month. So it will go up again to $99 is what I'm being told. So I guess I was lucky to be one of the first ones to get in with this company, so that's why my price was lower. $59 is all that I pay. But guys, if I did not sign up when I did sign up and I waited, say if I was to wait till later to sign up, which I already did sign up, and I would have to pay the $99, I think it would be worth it to me, because on this website you can buy a $15 T-shirt, and still get the trade line. And for a $12,000 trade line, this is definitely worth it, guys. So even if I had to pay $99, I would still sign up. Okay. So guys, that's one to think about. And again, if you do choose to open this one, you want to keep it open forever and ever, because it does not look good on your credit report to close accounts. When you do close an account, you lose the credit history from that account, and yes, your credit score will go down. Okay, it could go down a lot too also. So just keep that in mind, guys. The next company I did sign up with here to get a trade line with is Rental Karma. And what they do is they build credit here. They build credit by reporting up to 24 months of past rent payment. So what I have is I have about over 1 year of rent history since I've been in my apartment for that time, and that will be reported to the credit bureau. It took a while though for them to verify my rent. It was just an issue of getting in contact with the landlord and getting that done. But once it was verified, it takes about 2 weeks from that point for them to report it to the credit bureau. Right now they report to TransUnion, but in the future they will be reporting to Equifax and Experian also. So the average credit boost is about 40-point credit boost in your credit score. So I'm very excited for this. If I do get a credit boost of 40 points or more, that will put me in the excellent credit score category. So this is great here, and the good thing to notice here is that there's no credit check required here. So that's a good thing, because that will not give you any hard inquiry. So for a person like myself, I have a lot of hard inquiries. I think this helped me out a lot because there was no hard inquiry when I signed up. Okay. So let's see. Look at some of the prices on these. Let's see. $25 registration fee per person. $5 a month for up to 24 months. Okay. And they do ongoing reporting too also. So they report from now back 24 months in the past, and they also report from now every payment you make in the future going forward. So, but do keep in mind you want to pay your rent on time, because if you don't, they will report that too if there's any late payment. Okay, guys, so just keep that in mind also. Okay, the next thing I did to boost my credit score was sign up with this company here called Hudson Chase. And Hudson Chase, they give a trade line too also. Okay, click on apply for membership at the top, and you'll see is guaranteed approval. You can get $1,500 credit line. Okay, it said no application denied for bad credit. And you have to read this small print down here on the bottom, and it breaks down what things that you need to do. You got to buy $180 to activate this membership, and put $30 down on it, and then you're making payments on the rest of the $180 each month. And they report this to the credit bureau every month. Okay, so it's also a good trade line to get. The next one that I signed up with here was called Ox Publishing. And Ox Publishing, they're a book company pretty much, and they give books on credit. Okay, so, I go to the top here, if you go to the top and then click on apply for credit, and you might have to click on this Adobe Flash Player. $2,500 of unsecured line of credit. Okay, purchase thousands of merchandise items on the website. Easy approval, no membership dues, no fees or interest. 0 interest for 6 months. There you have it. Guaranteed approval, got to be over 18, have a debit card or credit card, have the ability to make $25 or more in monthly payments, and pay the enrollment fees, make $180 worth of products to activate with $30 down, and you pay the rest of the $180 over monthly payments over a period of time. Okay, so right there, that's pretty good for establishing your credit. So far we had what? We had My Jewelers was $5,000, New Coast Direct was $5,000, New Coast DSX Design was up to $12,000, so that's $22,000. Rental Karma, depending on how much your rent is every month, that would determine how big the trade line would be. Hunt and Chase was $1,500, so you have about $2,350. Then what's this? Ox Publishing, right here. This is $2,500. So you have about $26,000 right here in trade lines. But there's more. You have also Finger Hut. Okay, I'll take you there. And I signed up with Finger Hut too. Also, this was one of the first trade lines that I did sign up for. And they started me out with their starter account, which is an installment account, which they gave me a $130 credit line, which was to pay 6 months of installment payments on. The way I done it was I paid it off in pretty much 2 payments, 2 months. The installment is for 6 months, so I would recommend you keep this for 6 months and make the payments every month on time for 6 months, so that way you can build up a credit history with this first, and then once you paid it off, you get promoted to the unsecured revolving, which is for $300, I believe. That's what they started me out with. So got all types of products here. I mean, application, just go to the bottom, click on apply for credit if you like, you know. So at the top there's a link up there too. Okay, so guys, this definitely builds up your credit, because they will report to the major credit bureaus too, also. So moving on, the next trade line that I got was Horizon Gold. This one, they offer an unsecured credit limit of $500. So it doesn't matter if you have bad credit, good credit, no problem, no credit at all. They offer a $500 credit limit, no credit check here too, guys. So again, this is another one that gives you no hard inquiry. So you want to take advantage of this. It builds credit, really great for that, and boosting your credit score too. Also, no employment check. It reports to major credit bureaus. You can apply online. And this one, they send you a card in the mail too also. And this one, I believe it's a $25 a month membership fee. So that you can see in the terms and conditions, I believe. Let's see. Let's click on terms and conditions here to go over this real quick. Okay, 0% for purchases. That's the interest. So no interest. Got a check fee, late payment fee. Okay, all these other fees here. Monthly maintenance fee, $6. Here it is, monthly membership fee right here. Okay, this is what I pay every month for this one, $24.95 a month. Okay, so you can expect that to pay that every month on this card here. Excuse me. You could go ahead in your spare time and read through all of this if this is something you want to look into. getting approved for, and having this trade line added on to your credit report also. Okay, so this one here, next one I'm going to go over with you is called Self-Lender. You can start building credit with this. This is a secured loan, okay? And it's better than any secured loan you might get from a bank because it's a savings also. My experience with this is that I applied for the $1,000 loan. They took the $1,000 after approving me. They put it in a CD account for me. I make the payments on this every month until it's all paid off, and then after a year of having the installment loan, they send me the $1,000 to my account, and I also get the benefit of having 12 months of good payment history. And the way I set this up is I have it set up on auto pay through my bank, so the payments are never late. And it takes 3 months for them to report to the credit bureaus, but when they do report, they report all 3 months, the first 3 months in one big shot. So you experience a huge credit boost on your credit score, you'll notice. So also I noticed that it seems like every month or every other month, I'm seeing a huge credit increase, score increase, every time I check my credit score. When the payment is made, after the payment is made, they make their statement, they send me an email, and they report to the credit bureau, and then I notice my credit score goes up tremendously. It's a huge credit boost here too. Another thing this does for you is it establishes a good credit mix with the credit bureau. That's what they go by when calculating your Vantage score and also your FICO score too, the credit mix. So you will be graded on this, when they give you a credit score. So let's see if we can get some more information on how this starts to work. Okay. Basically, you're just going to go ahead and just sign up. If you want to learn more about it, it shows you what is a credit builder account. Let's click on that. Okay, got a lot of links here. How does it work? What is Self-Lender? Okay, right. Apply for a loan that's held by their banking partners. The money is secured, protected in a bank account. You pay off the loan in 12 to 24 months. There you go. You could pay it off in 24 months if you like. Each payment builds credit history and adds to your savings. Okay. So sample products are $25 monthly loan payments at a $525 loan amount with a $9 administrative fee, 24-month term, and 14.9% annual percentage rate. Okay, so this is a breakdown of it. Okay, so let's see, what else can we get out of there? Let's see. Okay, so this is something you want to take into consideration. Let's hit one of these here. Can you build credit for your business? Let's see. No. Individuals can use Self-Lender. Only individuals. If you need to build credit for your business, consider visiting nav.com for more information. So this is only for personal credit, guys. But it's huge, tremendous. I mean, me, myself, I'm thinking about doing a 24-month loan after I'm finished with the 1-year loan, because I like that payment history reported to the credit bureau, and I like seeing these credit score increases. I like to see my score going up every month, which I have, a lot, tremendously. So let's go ahead, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what else I've done. I have had a friend of mine, he added me onto 5 of his credit cards as an authorized user. One credit card was an American Express card, and that was for a $6,000 credit limit that he opened last month. Another one was a Discover card for $5,000 credit limit, which I believe he opened in August, which has 7 months credit history, which helped boost my score about 10 points. So I went from a 710 credit score to a 720 credit score. The other one was a U.S. Bank credit card for $6,000 credit limit. Also a Bank of America credit card for $4,500 credit limit. And a Citibank credit card for $4,300 credit limit. For a total of authorized user accounts of total of $19,800. So that just got me up to probably, let's see, 19,800 plus the 26. I'm doing the math here. Close to $45,000 or $46,000 in credit, maybe a little more than that because the DSX design goes up to $12,000. And I don't know how much my trade line for Rental Karma is going to be that they're going to report. So we got about close to $50,000 I got of trade lines here, you know. Maybe a little more. I mean, if you count the 3 secured credit cards I got and the self-lender too also. But what I want to do now is go ahead and show you a brief rundown of my credit report. Okay, let's go to, I like Wallethub. Wallethub, the reason why I like Wallethub is because they update the credit scores every day, okay? And I can get to see my credit score, you know, each and every single day here. Let's see, how do we start with this? Every time I go to this website, though, I seem to have issue trying to find out how to start out. I think I click on my wallet. Let's see if that's how I access it here. Okay, I'm going to have to log in. So let's go ahead and log in. Put in my password. Okay, all right, now it's updating here. Take a sip of this coffee while it's doing that. Okay, so now I have this, the credit score is showing is 716. 34 points away from my next credit level, which would be a 750 credit score, which would give me perfect credit. So it's giving me recommendations here, says I can apply for a blue cash everyday card from American Express. So I already have been added as an authorized user to this one. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to apply right now. This shows my credit inquiries. And it shows, let me go look at my authorized users that have reported. Okay. Discover card has reported. Opened in August 25th, $5,000 credit limit. So about 7 months of credit history because it did not report the month of April yet. Probably will next month. Okay. And so as you can see, my first Premier secured credit card, I do have an account balance of $44 on that one. But the payment status, the check here, means it's been paying on time. So good payments there. First Progress credit card, good payments. Zero balance I kept on that one. So $200 credit limit. So Major Financial, I believe that's either my Jewelers trade line or my New Coast Direct. It has a zero balance on that. The check there means good on-time payments. The other First Progress credit card with the $550 credit limit has a zero balance. The check there for on-time payment. Finger Hut credit account, charge account, zero balance again. Check there, on-time payment. Carmel Financial Corporation, that one I believe is either the My Jewelers or the New Coast Direct. I'm not sure which is which because sometimes I get confused between the two. But it's either one of the two of those. And that one again is On-time payments, zero balance. American Express credit card, that is the credit card my friend had that added me as an authorized user. It's on-time payments, good. It's been opened up last month, a $6,000 credit limit. Okay, so there we go. And also the lead bank installment loan. I'll show you this one here. This is the self-lender. That's what it's going to say on your credit report when it reports to the credit bureau. It says lead bank. Let's have a $680 balance because I'm still making payments on this. Let's look at the details. Payment status on time. I opened it in November 15th. It's a secured loan. Term is for 12 months. See, they reported November, December, January, February. They have not reported March or April yet. Okay. So this is what has been boosting my credit score so much too. Also, this the self-lender. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Basically what I talked about in this video here was the trade lines that I opened up and also the credit cards that I opened up in order to boost my credit, and that's how I'm showing you guys how I went from a score in the low 500s from 548 to 720 credit score. And I wanted to note that when I did have the American Express authorized user added to my credit report, my credit score took a little dip. It went down 4 points. And I believe that's because the American Express card that I was added on to was a new account. It was opened in March last month. Had it been an older account like, say, the Discover card that I was added as an authorized user, that Discover card was opened in August, so it was 7 months old, and that would have gave me a credit boost in my score. So now I'm at a 716, but it's going to go back up again pretty soon here. Let's see, what has reported on my credit report? Actually, well, of course, my credit cards were already reported. The secured cards from the Fresh Progress and the Fresh Premier, because I opened that one up in November. My Jewelers has reported. New Coast Direct has reported. DSX Design is new. A new trade line has not reported to my credit profile yet. Rental Karma, not yet. Waiting for them to report. I'm waiting for 3 of my authorized users to report to my credit bureau. 2 also waiting for the U.S. Bank, the Bank of America, and the Citibank too also to report. Waiting for those 3 credit cards to report to my credit bureau. Hopefully those will have more credit history and will give me a credit boost and are not new accounts. Also, my Hutton Chase and Ox Publishing has not reported yet because those are less than 1 month old. The Finger Hut has reported, that was one of my first trade lines. Horizon Gold has reported, and Self-Lender has been reporting since November. So basically what I talked about in this video was my trade lines, and I wanted to give you guys a view of what I've been doing and how I went from a credit score in the low 500s to a 720 credit score. So thank you again to all my subscribers, my 23 subscribers. And please hit the subscribe button if you're new, or if you've watched my videos before and you never subscribed. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification at the bottom of the video. And also make sure you get my video a thumbs up and share this video with all of your friends on Facebook and your other social media gatherings, and with anyone that you feel needs help with building credit or credit repair. If you need help with that, credit repair or credit building, or you just want to boost up your credit score, leave me a comment in the bottom of this video too. Also, I'll give you my email address, and you can definitely shoot me an email there and I will help you out. I don't charge anything for credit repair or credit building, or just to give you advice. So thanks again for watching the videos, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Take care.